Hey, it's Rob from Elasto Proxy here, and did you know that we can help simplify your installation process? Here's what you need to know. Good gasket designs account for installation. In other words, how will you install the gasket so that when it attaches, it remains reliable? Also, how can you ensure consistency during installation? Let's say you're designing a door gasket for an enclosure. You don't want there to be differences in installation on different days of the week, across shifts, or among employees. To help ensure consistency, Elasto Proxy can help you to train your installers. We're happy to record a video of the proper installation procedure so that you can share it with your team. We can also help you during the gasket design process. That's important because there's more than one way to fasten a gasket. In fact, there might be an easier way than you're doing right now. Have you tried adhesive taping? It provides faster installation times than plastic pins, which require drilling a hole for each pin and then pushing the pins through. Adhesive tapes are also easier to use than metal fasteners like screws or bolts. Whenever installers need a hand tool, you're looking at longer installation times. With tape gaskets from Elasto Proxy, you'll get a peel and stick solution. Think about that. All the installers needs to do is peel away the release liner and stick the gasket to the surface. You have a choice of adhesive tapes as well. Depending on your application, we may suggest a pressure-sensitive adhesive or PSA tape. We might also suggest a heat-activated taping system or HATS. Would you like an installation solution that sticks? Talk to Elasto Proxy.